Hi guys, my name is Khushbu and welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another episode of Midnight Talks with Khush. So today's video is going to be about insecurities and body image. This can be a very sensitive topic for a lot of people, including myself. I already shot this video actually, but उसकी energy काफ़ी angry and anxious थी और मैं नहीं चाहती थी वो energy हो मेरे video की, so I'm reshooting it. But उसके साथ I realized कि as a viewer, you know, तुम लोगों के लिए भी ये काफ़ी sensitive हो सकता है. So if you feel like कोई भी topic या कोई particular मेरा experience थोड़ा सा भी triggering हो, so please feel free to just skip this video. I'll be back with another video next week. And now let's just get into this topic. So let's start by saying कि Google के according exact definition क्या होती है. So insecurity means uncertainty or anxiety about oneself, lack of confidence. I know for a fact that none of us are born with any insecurities. So where do we get these from? I think according to me, we get these from our parents, community, things that we see around us, media. Consciously, unconsciously हम ये सारी चीज़ें accept कर लेते हैं and they build up negativity inside us and we just follow these things blindly and start seeing ourselves with a lot of flaws and imperfections, which is such a weird way of describing oneself. Like, who decides कि ये flaws क्या हैं so called and like imperfections? Like, it's just weird to me. So if I just share my experience, since I was a baby, I've had these dark circles. I remember that when I grew up, people started calling me कि oh, I look like a panda and like सोती नहीं है क्या ये वो. पर मेरे dark circles हमेशा से थे. मतलब if I look back at my baby pictures, मेरे तभी भी dark circles हैं. And no matter how much I drink water and मैं कितनी भी 8 hours की sleep ले लूँ, they have just always been there. But because people used to say this and I don't know और कहाँ से, it just came in my head that these are ugly, they're not supposed to be there, I'm not beautiful because of these dark circles under my eyes. And I am sure जब मैं छोटी होंगी ऐसे 2-3 साल का बच्चा खुद को देख के नहीं बोलता होगा ना that you're ugly, what is this under your eyes. So it's just when we grow up, there are things around us that make us believe that we are flawed, which we definitely are not. Let's talk about media, movies, series, social media like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, if you even use Facebook. We all know it is full of filters. तुम कुछ भी edit कर सकते हो. तुम्हारी body जैसी दिखती है वो completely उसके different दिख सकती है अगर तुम एक different pose कर दो तो. So it's just not real. And I can just tell you my example that I am very insecure about my underarms because they're darker than my skin color. कुछ महीने पुरानी बात है ये. मैंने एक पिक्चर डाली थी, ठीक है, उसमें मेरे अंडर आर्म्स जो थे उनको मैंने एडिट किया था टू मेक देम लाइटर एंड लुक लाइक माई स्किन कलर, विच इज़ सो रॉन्ग. आई नो, आई रियलाइज्ड एंड मैंने उसके बाद कभी भी ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया है बिकॉज आई डू नॉट वॉन्ट टू एड इन दिस इंडस्ट्री जो ऑलरेडी इतनी ज़्यादा फिल्टर्ड एंड फेक है. सो आई really try my best to be as natural as I can from now. So just be mindful of what you consume. If you feel like कि कोई person के posts या stories तुम्हें बहुत बुरा feel करवा रहे हैं about yourself, just unfollow them. You're not obligated to follow everyone. It's okay. अगर unfollow नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि maybe वो तुम्हारा कोई friend है या something, mute them. Okay? And और ज़्यादा break चाहिए, just take a social media break for a week. Trust me, it helps a lot. Let's talk about trends. Trends are not just food, makeup or like किस टाइप की क्लोथिंग चल रही है. जैसे आजकल 2000s क्लोथिंग का काफ़ी ट्रेंड चला हुआ है. Unfortunately, it also includes body types. जो मेरे को कहते हुए भी बहुत sad लग रहा है, but it is true. हमारे body type को भी ट्रेंड में काउंट किया जाता है. Okay, छोटा सा हिस्ट्री लेसन, ठीक है. Just consider Renaissance period, early history, ठीक है. उस टाइम पे Renaissance paintings and arts में women are, you know, seen as more curvy, Why? Because उस टाइम पे प्रॉपर फूड नहीं मिलता था लोगों को. People who had food, they were fuller, they were more healthier. ठीक है, so women who were wealthy were curvier and all the other people used to look up to them. And वो उस टाइम का ऐसे ट्रेंड था that women are supposed to be curvier, and वही लोग ज़्यादा कहते हो ना पेंटिंग्स एंड आर्ट्स में पोर्ट्रेट भी हैं. देन जस्ट जम्प टू 80s and 90s, runway models came, ठीक है, they had this straight body type and then that became the trend. Women are supposed to, you know, look like that. And now we have Kylie Jenner, Kim Kardashian, perfect hourglass figure. कहीं से we are supposed to look thin and then some parts are supposed to be thick, and that's just so unnatural if you think about it. Obviously कोई भी time period हो, all the women cannot look exactly same, but sometimes bodies of a few women are considered to be better than others and they are considered to be trends. If I tell my experience in this area, I have always had like a heavier lower body and मैंने खुद को काफ़ी criticize किया है इस बारे में. And the saddest thing is that when I was in 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th till college, whatever, ठीक है, I've always hated my body. Like 6th में I used to feel like I'm so fat, and then 8th में I'm so fat. But the thing is कि मैं every year ज़्यादा grow ही करी हूँ because I'm a woman and my body changes. I am supposed to grow, and every year I just hated myself for how my body looked. And my body doesn't deserve that. It deserves love and kindness. Another thing that really bothered me is having a flat stomach, which I'll just show you. So if you just, you know, look at my stomach, if I suck it in, it can be flat, but it's not. I have organs, I eat food, so it won't be flat. Another thing that I realized very recently is that over the years I have trained myself कि जब मैं कोई पिक्चर क्लिक कर रही हूँ या मैं किसी सोशल सेटिंग में हूँ, I suck my stomach in, and when I realized it I was like, what the hell? When did I start doing that? मतलब ये मेरी natural habit बन गई है to be uncomfortable, to suck my stomach in when I'm clicking a picture or when I'm with people, which is so wrong. So अब मैं conscious effort करती हूँ कि जब मैं pictures click करूँ या मैं लोगों के साथ हूँ, I'm normal. Like, और ऐसा होता है कि मैं खुद को ऐसे situations में पाती हूँ कि मैंने ऐसे अंदर क्या और I'm like, no खुशबू, breathe, let it go, be normal, it's okay. So to all of you out there who feel insecure like I do, I just want to tell you all that your eyes, your lips, your nose, your face, your skin color, your body type is very beautiful and it's unique to you. Love your body. I love your body. You should love your body. It deserves love and kindness. Okay, so now I would like to share my closing thoughts on this topic. Let's start with a quote. Everyone wants to see the flaws of another person because we want to see glimpses of our own insecurities in them. We want to know we are not the only ones. This really spoke to me because I realized it is so true. I watch and follow people who are true, जो ज़्यादा filters नहीं लगाते हैं, जो honest होते हैं, because I feel like I can relate with them. I see a part of myself within them, and that makes me really happy and makes me comfortable with who I am because I know that I'm not alone. Similarly, when I uploaded the first video of Midnight Talks with Kush, I talked about pandemic anxiety and the uncertainty we are facing. There were so many people who commented that, they are glad that I spoke about this and they relate to me and they feel like they're not alone. That video helped them, and when they commented, it helped me because I felt like, yeah, I'm not alone. So if we just look around, people only want each other to be real and honest. I know all of this is easier said than done. So I think the first step is to be aware of how our mind works, what our insecurities are. Even ये step भी मुश्किल होता है because it takes a lot of courage to accept that yeah, this is my insecurity, but once you do, you can actually work on it and get over it and reach one step closer to loving yourself fully. When you actively change your mindset and work on it, it helps you and other people, because अगर तुम उन चीज़ों में believe करते हो, तुम unknowingly वो सारे अपने biases दूसरों पर भी reflect करते हो and it ends up hurting them and it also hurts you. Journaling, I write what I'm grateful for and I really try to majorly focus on my body. So I write I am grateful for my body and like one thing I like about my body, जब मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा बुरा फील हो रहा होता है तो I just look in the mirror and even though मैं exactly उस टाइम पे वो फील नहीं कर रही होती हूँ, I still just look myself in the eye and tell myself, you know what, Khushbu, your smile is beautiful. Your dark circles are beautiful. It empowers you. Even if you don't feel it in that moment, it will later. उसके अलावा I am trying to have these conversations. One example is this video. एक साल पहले I wouldn't have been comfortable talking about this on my YouTube channel or even with other people, but today I am, because I've realized that it's important not only for me but you know, even for others. Okay, so this was a very heavy video and I think all of us need a hug right now, so I'm just gonna hug you guys. But before that, please remember, you're very beautiful. I love you for who you are and you should love yourself for who you are. Now let's bring it in.